Hello, hola, it's your girl, Rena MoMoney. Thank you for joining me today. On this channel, we talk about how you can crush it in real estate, being a profitable landlord, a wholesaler, just being a great business owner, and also things to help you to become a better you. Well, today I got another good one for you. Yes, the must-have insurance for landlords. So come on in. On this channel, we talk a lot about real estate. We talk a lot about finances. We always talk about assets. We're also talking about the most assets that is longevity, that builds you wealth and helps you to leave a legacy. We're always talking about, of course, yes, real estate. With real estate, you are building that wealth and building that legacy. Well, today we're going to talk about how to protect it. We've talked about how to protect your wholesale deal. We've talked about how to protect yourself. When you have paying tenants, you should have a landlord insurance policy. Make sure you have the primary protections. There are 3 types of protections that we're going to go over that you need to have. Before I get into those 3, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the like button. Also join me, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on a little belly thing. If you click on that little belly thing, that's going to give you notification when I come on here. I come on here twice a week to help you crush it in your business, real estate, finances, credit card, lenders, and just overall to help you become a better you. So let's go over them. We're going to make this video short and sweet. So the 3 must-have insurance for landlords is number 1, liability protection. You need liability protection. Number 2, property damage. And the third one is rental default insurance. Yes, you have the option to add additional coverage, but those 3 I recommend will highly protect you from unforeseen events. Some of the additional coverage and other types for landlords may include like emergency coverage, flood insurance, rent guaranteed insurance, sewer backup insurance, builder's risk insurance, and general contractor insurance. One thing about general contractor insurance, it covers you if you decide to become a licensed general contractor. So those are the 3 must insurance that you should have as a landlord. I want to give you a tip, but before I give you a tip, let me give my shout outs. Again, I randomly select new subscribers and or those that have given a nice comment in the comment section. I randomly select. So look at here, again here, I like to give you a shout out, give you claps up, give yourself a hand because you've taken these steps to help yourself to become a better you. Now, in reference to that nugget, that gem, that golden nugget that I want to release, that tip, require renter's insurance. If you are a landlord, require renter's insurance. Make your tenants, your renters, get renter's insurance. Make it a requirement in your lease agreement, and that's how you make it required. Keep in mind, your landlord insurance policy doesn't cover a tenant's personal items. And that's one of the selling points that you're going to tell them about when you get ready to go over your lease, or when you have your property manager go over your lease, or your assistant, or whoever does your lease. Make sure that they emphasize and let them know that the tenant insurance is required, because if anything's happened, like a tree or a fire, their personal items will not be covered. So that's a good tip. If it's easier to just make it required, make it required. And that way, if they do not furnish it, they do not come up with it, if they do not adhere to that policy in your agreement, then you can't become at fault because they signed and understood that they were supposed to get renter's insurance. Now, some landlords, what you can do to enforce it is to make sure that they provide you with a copy or proof of insurance after X amount of days of move-in. Again, if you like what I'm saying and I'm giving you any information to help you out at all, whether it's this video or a previous video, please smash that like button. Also, too, take some time out and go down the channel. I know I say that every other video, but there are some other videos and some topics that may interest you, that may help you. Again, each video will have something in it to save you money or make you money. If it's some areas that you feel like you need help and you simply cannot afford a mentorship program, I do coaching calls. I want to put that out there. Get you some coaching call, educate yourself. That's going to be key. Schedule a coaching call with me. Look down in the description below and you'll see where you can schedule a coaching call. You'll also see some other resources. You'll see some programs. You'll see some contracts. You'll see a lot of good things and a lot of great resources that can help you out as you try to jump into this industry or as you try to scale up. The boom nugget for today is a card called Truist. They are very lenient. Truist, Truist Bank. They are moving. They're becoming national. Truist, TRUIST. That's the one you want to check out. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not advising you to go get these products. I'm not getting paid to tell you about these products. But check out Truist, TRUIST Bank. Very lenient. They have some products that you may be interested in. So check that out. Okay, so let's jump back into the lesson of must insurance for landlords. I want to dwell a little bit on a renter's insurance policy. The renter's insurance covers a variety of things, but it depends on the provider. And I want to make sure I say that. The provider can cover everything or a few extra things. Always have a renter insurance policy that covers at least these three things. You want to know what they are? Let's write them down. Ready? Number one, make sure the renter's insurance coverage covers replacement costs. 2, theft. 3, water backup damages. Also, injuries and electronics and appliances, because a lot of times those damages will affect the electronics and the appliances. So that renter's insurance coverage, so you want to relay that to your tenant as well to advise them to make sure that the coverage actually have at least those in there. Okay, if you allow pets, make sure that the tenant gets pet insurance. So check to see if the policy that they're interested in getting has pet insurance or covers pets. So I would highly advise that they shop around, you shop around. Also, here's another nugget for landlords. Check on umbrella insurance policy. Check on an umbrella insurance policy. Most covers for a liability up to $5 million. So check that out. You should always try to always work on prevention instead of intervention. Again, it is always better to prevent an issue than to learn from the mistake later. Again, I hope this was helpful. Make sure you stay tuned, turn on and click another Rena MoMoney Plus YouTube video. Nothing but great things to help you crush it in real estate, save money and make money. So thank you, and you take care.